Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor comes with a H240 quick attach front loader. Tractor is in like new condition, has just over 100 hours of use on it. Has a front grill guard, has 65 horsepower. A couple scuffs here in the front cylinder where it looks like something rubbed against it a little bit. Bucket's got a couple scratches in it, but overall the tractor looks just about like new. Front tires barely show any wear. Work lights in front of the cab here, corner post exhaust. 3-cylinder John Deere diesel with a turbo. Has a mid connections here for your loader connections. 2 entry doors in the cab, which is also an option. You can still see the ribs in the back tires here, they're like new. Believe those tires are loaded. May want to double check the listing on that. It's got the upgraded telescopic 3-point arms, extendable arms, rear hydraulic outlet, top link, has 540 and 540E PTO. It's got work lights in the back of the cab. As you can see, the tractor is optioned out very nicely. Toolbox here on the side. Inside the tractor, it's got the full suspension seat there for the operator. Buddy seat here on the side. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. To the right here, you've got your main transmission sticks. You got 3 ranges on the short lever. 4 synchronized gears on the top lever there. It gives you a total of 12 speeds. It's your loader control there within easy reach. 3-point and hydraulic and PTO controls over there to the right. 540E PTO selector back behind the seat here. Down below you've got your foot throttle, individual brakes, differential lock here to the back, clutch pedal here to the left. If you'll notice, there's barely any paint off the pedals. Tractor has just over 100 hours on it. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.